Hey, what's going on, everybody out there in video land? How you doing? This is Pastor G, one of the team members on the executive team of the Few Conference. That's right, the Few Conference. Man, I'm out here just sitting here, just waiting to pick up my daughter. And then I thought I just decided to do a video. That's right, a video. So if I'm doing a video, and if I'm talking about Few, are you connecting the dots? That's right. That means that it's coming fast and it's approaching us fast. We're almost in spring, and then before you know it, we're putting on our shorts and going to the beach. And then after that, guess what? You guessed it. Time for Few Conference. So the reason why I'm doing this video blog is because each week I will be dropping a name to you all, everybody out there in Facebook land, Viddy land, Social Cam, whatever cam, Instagram that you're part of, even Twitter. I can't leave Twitter out. And I'll be dropping a name for our lineup for the Few Conference. And you want to make sure that you tune in and that you don't miss it, because we have a crazy lineup this year, and we believe that you're going to be blessed. God is going to touch you, and that most of all, that you're going to have an experience with Christ like none other. And that's what we want. This year our theme is reflect. So for today, for this week, one of the names that I'm going to drop to you for our lineup for our Few Conference is
I wanna be in it, but not of it. When the record starts spinning, the feeling it starts.